Do you feel like you should be achieving more by now? Do you ever feel like you're lost and making things up as you go along? Hey, it's Alex Ranahan. The topic for this month is setting a base to change what you're doing and where you're going. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to work out what you want to do next to find a sense of direction so that you can make measurable progress towards what you want to have and who you want to be. The biggest problem is that when you don't know where you're going, it's really easy to get blown off course by whatever life throws at you. And you may beat yourself up and stop yourself from taking action because you aren't keeping a scorecard of how well you're actually doing. I'll cover the 3 things that you need to do over 3 videos. So for this video, we're looking at working out what you want to do next to find a new direction. Trade your expectation for appreciation so you can create a base of happiness which will bolster everything that you do. The first thing I want you to do is to ask yourself what that one thing you want is, or even better, what that strong feeling you're fighting for is. Then I want you to ask yourself why, specifically 7 times, so you can find out what the underlying motive that drives you is. Then you'll know what you're really after.